a motorbike ride, and finding my way up to a hilltop. This week, Zhuangfeng is at Koh Pha Ngan in Thailand. Thailand is well known among tourists for its pulsating nightlife and pristine beaches. But it also has some hidden gems for those looking to explore the outdoors. In this series, we travel to the land of smells to do just that. From hiking, bamboo rafting, to mountain biking, trail running, to kayaking, and diving. Today, we are down south at Koh Pha Ngan in the Gulf of Thailand. The flight from Bangkok to Koh Samui takes about an hour and 15 minutes. From there is a 30-minute speedboat ride to this island. Good day, welcome back to Zhuangfeng. This is my Thailand adventure series. Last episode I was in the jungle between Thailand and Malaysia border. That was a little bit of too rough for me. But this week I'm taking it easy at the Gulf of Thailand. This is Koh Pha Ngan. I'm at the seaside by the port, but I'm going up to the highest point of this island. See how long that will take me. Koh Pha Ngan is popular for its monthly full moon party, but this time I'm exploring its natural beauty. The best way to go around is to rent a motorbike, which costs about $4.50 to $6 a day. Do go to the gas station to fill up the tank before setting out to explore. Follow this sign to turn. Well, that was I lost a few times to find the entrance, so I left my little bike there and heading towards the Koh viewpoint, going to the highest point of Koh Pha Ngan. The entrance of the trail is on private land, so you need to pay 65 cents. Such a beautiful day. And that is where I'm hiding to. Keep going. It's a 7-kilometer loop up and down from Koh viewpoint. I approached it counterclockwise. It's pretty much all the way up. Not very tall hiker friendly in the jungle. Oh, very thick forest. Sound is amazing. You either hear the stream, the waterfall, or you hear the animals, or just simply nothing. It's so nice. I have another kilometer to go to reach the highest point, but the elevation I noticed is about a good 320 meters climbing up. Let's see how long that will take me. In hindsight, I should have brought my hiking poles along. That would have really helped with the elevation. Well, I made it to the highest point of Koh Pha Ngan, 635 meters above sea level. Look at the view. And my heavy backpack there. So the way is relatively steep because lots of climbing from a good 200 meters to 630. Short distance, very steep, but really worth it. Listen to the sound of the forest, the bird and all that. Really, really nice. I'm gonna have to go down because it's getting late. Especially when you're in the forest, it's getting dark very quickly. So I don't want to miss the sunset. Hopefully I can make it. See how long it will take me. This side of the hill was much easier than the way I came up. The path is rather wide and not that steep. Occasionally, the thick forest opened up to some nice views. The doggies is the wrong way. Need to take the exit here to get out. Well, join the little stream again. So almost at the end. just finish this loop. So for now, this is the end of this episode. If you like it, please like and subscribe our channel wherever you watch it. And this is Jack. I'm in Thailand adventure. See you next time.